Hello friends, welcome back to the Mivan Technologies. In this video, I am here to explain how to connect, how to test and how to program Mivan Technologies single phase semi-automatic water level controller WLC RL 1D. This is Mivan Technologies heavy duty semi-automatic water level controller that is suitable up to 3 HP motor. This device provides high voltage and low voltage protection. It saves the motor from high and low voltage fluctuations. It also provides electronic overload protection and protect the motor from burning due to overload. This device have a current based dry run protection. If motor run without water, then it take a lower ampere than its load ampere. This device stops the motor in dry run condition and protect from burning. This model is also suitable for MCB starter panel. The link has been provided to buy our products and product parts. You are welcome to purchase them directly from our website. In all over the world, we have gained the trust of 1 million plus customers. Additionally, our products are exported to more than 22 countries on a regular basis. Now I'll show you how to connect the device. This is a manual start and auto stop water level controller. It starts the motor by pressing the start button of the controller and automatically stop the motor when the tank gets full. Emergency stop button is also provided. So in between, if you want to stop the motor, you can press the stop button to stop the motor at any time. In this device, these are an input terminal, these are an output terminal, this is a programming key, this is a start and stop button, this is a voltage and ampere display, this is a ampere indication. When the display shows the ampere indication comes. This is a voltage indication. When the display shows the voltage indication comes. This is a tank empty indication and this one is a tank full indication and this is a motor on indications provided. These are a sensors terminal. You need to connect a 230 volt supply at the input terminal and connect a 2 wire phase and neutral at the input terminal. At the output terminal, you need to connect a motor. But for testing purpose, I have connected a bulb at the output terminal. At the sensors terminals, you need to put a wire of sensors and you need to connect a sensors wire. But for testing purpose, I have connected a 2 small pieces of wire at the sensors terminal. Now I'll show you how to test the device. To test the device, first press the green button to start the motor. Here I have connected a bulb, so bulb should start. Now you can see a tank empty indications. Short both of the terminal together, the bulb should stop and you can see a tank full indications. So you can start the motor by pressing the start button of the controller and it will automatically stop when the tank gets full. If it is work, then unit is working fine. Now I'll show you how to program the device. First, I'll show you how to set the overload current. To set the overload current, First, press the set button. The overload comes. Again press the set button. Here you can adjust the overload current. You can set the overload current as per the motor load. Generally, the overload current value will be a 25% higher from the load value. Press the set button to store the value. Now I'll show you how to set the dry running current. To set the dry running current, first you need to enable the dry running current setting option from the password. Press the set button for the 5 seconds to access the password menu. Again press the set button. You will be asked for the password. Go to the password 70. Press the set button. Again press the set button. Again press the set button. Again press the set button. Press the set button. Here you can see a delay. Again press the set button. Again press the set button. Here you can see a dry option. Press the set button. Here it is disable. You can enable it by pressing the up and down key. Make it enable and again press the set button. Again press the set button. Press the set button. Press the set button. Press the set button and comes to the main menu. Press the set button. Overload comes. Again press the set button. Overload value comes. Press the set button. Dry comes. Again press the set button. The dry run value comes. Here you can adjust the dry run current by up and down key. Generally, the dry run current value will be a 25% lower from the load value. You can set the dry running current as per your motor load and press the set button to store the value. Now I'll show you how to set the dry running current timer. To set the dry running reset timer, you need to enable the dry run reset timing option from the password. Press the set button for the 5 seconds to access the password menu. Again press the set button. Go to the password 70. Press the set button, 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 press the set button. Here you can see a DRT, dry run reset timing option. Press the set button. It is a disable now. You can make it enable by up and down key. Make it enable and press the set button. Again press the set button. Again press the set button and comes to the main menu. Now in the main menu, press the set button, overload comes. Press the set button, overload value comes. Press the set button, dry run comes. Again press the set button, dry run value comes. Press the set button. Here you can see a dry run reset timing option. Press the set button. You can adjust the dry run reset time in a minutes by up and down key. You can press the set button and comes to the main menu. Now, what is this dry run reset time? So, once the motor trip in a dry run condition, then after how much time it should start again to check whether it is dry or not. That time is known as a dry run reset time. You can adjust that time in a minutes. Now, I'll show you how to set the high voltage and low voltage protection and high voltage and low voltage protection cutoff limit. Press the set button for the 5 seconds. Enter the password 90. Press the set button. The high voltage option comes. Press the set button. It is disabled now, so make it enable by up key. Again press the set button. The high voltage value enter option comes. Again press the set button. Here you can adjust the high voltage cutoff limit by up and down key. The default value will be a 290 volt. Press the set button. The low voltage enable disable option comes. Press the set button. You can enable or disable by up and down key. Make it enable. Press the set button. The low voltage value comes. Press the set button. Here you can adjust the low voltage cutoff limit by up and down key. Press the set button. Press the set button. Press the set button. Press the set button. Press the set button to store the value and come to the main menu. Now I'll show you how to set the overload current and dry current automatically. To set the overload current and dry current automatically, first press the green button and start the motor. Once the motor gets start, press the green button for the 10 seconds. You can see a message that overload value and dry current has been set automatically. In case if you have set any wrong parameters, press the stop button for the 5 seconds. To do the factory reset, you can see the factory reset message on the display. All the parameters set as per the factory default. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubt about wiring, testing or installation, drop your question in the comment box. I'll be happy to help you out. See you in the next video.